Hey guys, this is Riley with BizNaz 101. In today's video, we will show you how to add product categories to your Shopify store. First, open the link to our full guide below in the description of this video. Next, to get started, let's head back to our store. Then we will select products from the dashboard on the left. Then choose the Collections tab just below. Now we will create a new product category in our store. To do this, click the Create Collection button on the upper right. Then input the name of your product category in the title field. Next, we need to choose the collection type. You will be shown two options, manual and automated, where the products are automatically added based on conditions you set. For our example, we will choose the manual product collection option. Once you have chosen an option, click Save. To finish setting up our new category, we must add some products. To do this, scroll down and click the Browse button. Next, select the products you'd like to add to this category. For our example, we will choose this bracelet. When you are finished, click Add. You have now created a new category. Select View at the top of the page to preview the changes. As you can see, our new category is visible in our Shopify store. We will now show you how to add your new product category to your store's menu. First, head back to your Shopify store and click Online Store from the left dashboard. Then select Navigation just below. This will bring you to your store's menu settings. Now, let's add your category to the store menu. To do this, select the main menu option. Next, click the Add Menu Item option at the bottom of the page. We will now input our product category's title, like so. Then add the link to your product category and click Add. Now you can drag and drop your new menu item as needed to adjust its placement in your store. Finally, click Save at the top of the page. Then preview the changes in your Shopify store. You have now successfully added a product category to your Shopify store. That's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget, you can find the full guide below in the description or contact us at BizNaz101 for help with your store. Thank you for subscribing.